Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you will be fine and enjoying your life. This is the level first, lecture 21st. You are once again with Mudassir, English with Mudassir. In this 21st lecture, I will talk about what is future continuous tense, how we will recognize sentences in Urdu to change it into English, what will be the helping verbs, what will be the form of verb, what will be the structure. So let's come with me. So it is future continuous tense. It is the second category, subcategory of future tense. This tense expresses action which is continuous or which may not be continuous in the future time. So what will be recognition in Urdu? Recognition in Urdu. What will be the recognition in Urdu? How a student will understand this sentence is belong to which one? किस तरह स्टूडेंट को पता चलेगा कि ये सेंटेंस उर्दू की हमें मिली है तो ये किस टेंस से मिलती है या किस टेंस से ताल्लुक रखती है. So those sentences which end with these words in Urdu language, so that will be considered the future continuous sentences. वो sentences उर्दू जुबान में जिस ये वर्ड्स इस वर्ड से ख़त्म हुई हो उसको हम future continuous tense कहेंगे और उसके रूल अप्लाई करेंगे. So what will be the form of verb? I told you earlier that when you saw the name of continuous tense, it means that there will be first form of verb plus ing. First form of verb plus ing. Go, went, gone. So go plus ing, going. So this form will be used. First form of verb plus ing, going, will be used in each and every tense. Helping verb, shall be and will be used as a helping verb. Shall be will be added with iv. Shall be iv के साथ हम लगाएंगे. Will be added with he, she, at singular name, plural name, you, they, सबके साथ. मैंने आपको बताया कि nowadays people are saying that will is enough for all subjects, but according to old grammarian, पुराने grammarian के मुताबिक they are saying that with I and we will use shall, and with these words we will use will. So let's come to the positive sentences. What will be the structure? First will be the subject. Subject काम करने वाले को subject कहा जाता है. The doer of an action is called subject. Shall, will, according to the subject, plus be plus first form of verb ing plus object. So let's change some sentences. हम कुछ sentences हैं उसको change करते हैं. You will know it easily. वो खेल रहे होंगे. First you will look at the end of the sentence. This sentence belong to these things or not. So we have these things here. रहे होंगे. It shows us that this is plural. For this we will use they. Why? ये हम they इस्तेमाल करेंगे क्योंकि यहाँ पर हम ये plural के लिए लगाते हैं. तो हम किस तरह चेंज करेंगे? They. Look at the structure. They. Subject. they के साथ हम will भी लगाते हैं तो will भी लगाओ. will plus be. play. ing, play. There is no object in this sentence, so they will be playing. Second sentence, वो सो रही होंगी. This sentence belong to this place. So from this we understood that this sentence is belong to future continuous tense. इससे हमें पता चलता है कि ये sentence future continuous tense की है. Now let's change it. And one thing more, female. फीमेल के लिए हम होंगी इस्तेमाल करते हैं, तो इसी वजह से इसके साथ शी लगेगा। गॉट इट? शी विल बी, यहाँ देख विल बी, look at the structure, will be asleep, ing, sleeping. So here also there is no subject object, that's why she will be sleeping. हम क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे, we के साथ हमने कहा shall be, got it? we shall be playing, ing, playing object है, we shall be playing cricket. Got it? Now come towards negative sentences. Negative are those sentences in which there is no action. वो शिकार नहीं कर रहा होगा. This means that this sentence is belong to future continuous tense, and also tell us it is man and single. तो इसके लिए अगर हम he इस्तेमाल करेंगे, he के साथ हम will लगाते हैं, will not be hunting, he will not be hunting. Second sentence, तुम सबक नहीं पढ़ा रहे होंगे. This shows us this sentence is belong to future continuous tense. तुम, you के साथ will not be, पढ़ा रहे होंगे, teach, ing. You will not be teaching lesson. Got it? माली पौधों को पानी नहीं दे रहा होगा. माली सिंगल नेम, गार्डनर will not be water here it is used as a verb, watering plants. Got it? Here water is used as a verb. One word can be used as a verb as well as a noun. So now coming toward interrogative sentences. Interrogative वो sentences है जिसमें हमारे साथ question किया जाता है. Got it? Look at the structure. Shall, will at the start of the sentence, then subject, then be, then first form of verb ing, then object. मैंने आपको बताया, I told you earlier, when you are making negative sentences you will put not after helping verb. When you are making interrogative sentences, so the helping verb should be in the start of the sentence. So let's see. Got it? क्या वो खाना खा रहा होगा. This shows us this sentence is belong to future continuous tense. So helping verb को आगे करेंगे, यहाँ पर रहा होगा man, and for this we will use he के साथ हम will लगाते हैं तो will को आगे करेंगे क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर में आगे will, he, be, eat, ing, eating, meal, silent interrogation. Got it? Will he be eating meal? क्या परिंदे उड़ रहे होंगे. Plural word. So plural के लिए हम will इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Will birds be fly, ing, fly. Will birds be fly. Got it? Last sentences of the future continuous. क्या सायरा गा रही होगी. सायरा is female, so फिर सायरा के name, female singular name, singular के नाम के साथ हम will लगाते हैं तो will को आगे करेंगे. will Will Sarah sing? Singing. There is no object in this sentence. Got it? So I told you, when you are making in negative sentences, you will put not after helping verb. When you are making interrogative sentences, you will put the helping verb in the start of the sentence. If you have any question regarding future continuous tense, you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.